Hello, my name is Zimmermann. I'm president for Sveba Dahlen and Glimek. We are very excited to be here at the IBIE 2025 and showing our tunnel oven here. In a tunnel oven from Sveba Dahlen, you can make all kinds of breads. You can bake in pans, you can bake freestanding, you can bake sensitive products like that, you can make loaves, and you can make everything in between. We have them gas-fired, we have them electric. It's your choice. Anyway, it's very versatile in usage, and you can run with more recipes during a day. So automatically, if you change recipe, the oven changes its setting. We have radiant heat, and we can also make convection heat. So, and we have very powerful steam package, so you can have the crisp and the browning or the coloring of your product as you exactly want it. So you control it by zones, and you can have as many or few zones as it makes sense for your product. It's tailor-made, our tunnel oven solution, so it fits basically anywhere in any application.